Okay, this is a video for you Zinnia lovers, and I just want to show you my Zinnias and just go over a couple of things about the Zinnias. Maybe you do or you don't know about Zinnias. Okay, so when Zinnias first come out, they look like this. I have to block it. I have to block this with my, because I can't see my screen. The intelligent people who designed this never figured you'd record in the sun. So I guess they figure you're going to be recording in your house all day long. So anybody who records outside, you can't see the screen because the intelligent people designed it. But aside from that, what happens is when the Zinnias come out, they first look like this. They come out and there's one layer of petals that come out. And the top of the Zinnia is basically a cone. And here's all your stamens and your anthers and everything like that. So as that gets pollinated, it forms this cone. And as the cone forms, it starts, it forms and it gets pollinated. It starts putting out different layers and layers until it builds up and it forms a thing like this. Okay, so here's one with a cone. You can see over here, it gets a cone on it, and the very top is the last thing to get pollinated. And then once that's done, as those seeds are ripening and coming to maturity and everything, they start working their way around like this, putting out more and more petals until it gets to the top. And then eventually, like I said, you end up with this. This one still has a couple of more anthers and stamens on the top. But most of these are coming into full fruition now. Here's one close-up. You can see the leaves are getting ready to come out on this. I guess once it matures, it puts the leaf out, or I'm not really sure how it works. I didn't sit here and study each one of them. But so what we got here is we got a variety of colors. I am going to offer mixed Zinnia seeds. I think I already offered a mixed Zinnia seeds. I would separate these into individual colors for you so you can just buy what you want, but it's just going to take too much time and energy to be able to isolate each one of these, which is the orange, which is the magenta, which is the white, which is the red and pink. And so it's too many problems for me to do that. I will just keep it mixed the way it is growing now. And so we'll just offer you a mixed seed package. So the colors that we got growing is we got this deep, beautiful magenta. Okay, it's very beautiful in color. Then we got like a dark pink variety here. Sure, if you can see that dark pink. And then we got like a lighter pink variety. Okay, so that's cool. We're going in shades of pink here. And then, of course, we have like a real light shade of pink, almost tan type color. And then we have a red version. There's a red color. And what else do we got here? We have like a white or almost a bone color variety here. So we got bone. And then we got an orange variety. Beautiful orange. These are going to look really beautiful. I'll try to get pictures when they're fully done, once they turn into this thing. If not, then, it's hard for me to get out here and shoot images on each one of these things. And then we have like a darker orange over here. Okay, that's like a darker orange color. And then, of course, we got red, which is hard to find the reds. There's not that many of the reds, I believe it or not. Here's a red. Beautiful red color. And I think that's it with colors. There's no blue as far as I know, or green or anything like that. There might be, but you'd have to buy those special. But that's what this mix will consist of. It'll consist of a nice natural mix of these colors. And I can't guarantee you the ratio of each one. We're just going to harvest the seeds once these buds are done. In fact, we got a couple buds here that are done already. You can see right here, we got a bud here that looks like it's done. So we'll get that soon. And there are a couple of buds that are done. And then as they come in, we'll pick them. Because if I don't pick them now, what ends up happening is the birds start coming in and they start blasting the seeds off it. And then I never harvest the seeds. I get very little seed in the end because I don't harvest them. I got to remember to come out here and pick them. Once they're ready, I got to pick them and get them off. Because, like I said, the birds will just pick them clean. All right, so anyway, that was just a quick video for you on the Zinnias. If you want to buy seed, I will leave a link in the description below. It'll take you over to HRseeds.com, and you'll be able to buy the Zinnia seeds that you see here from these plants. And I do grow these every year. It's just some years I skip, But next year, I'm going to grow them out in the back a little bit more, or maybe on the side here. I'll grow a big bushel of them and see if we could get any more colors out of them. All right, so that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.